Let's see how to do other science projects. To do this, all you need is an LED light, a DC motor, a propeller, a battery, and a switch. You can also do other things. Let's see how to do this. If you don't understand what I am doing as I show in the video, comment and let me know. If you done other projects at a school or at a home, comment and let me know. Watch the video till the end and you will understand. Comment and tell me what project you want similar to this. I will make a video of that project. Comment and tell me which country you are watching from. If you need a glue gun or other gear motor for a project or science project, you can get it at a stationery store or bookstore. If the say, give me a glue gun. You can't see well I am doing it in the dark now. If you subscribe to my channel and see I'll do it in the light or on a full-time YouTube channel, if get 1000 subscribers, if anyone hasn't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now. I am currently shooting videos 89. If you are watching and subscribe to my channel, shoot videos during the day. This video has 1000 subscribers, but now I am shooting videos 89. So subscribe to the channel immediately, and may God bless and protect you. If you don't understand anything, comment. I go to work during the day, so I shoot the video at night. If you tell me I'll shoot on YouTube's side, so you get 1000 subscribers, then I'll shoot during the day. Let me know how you will like this video by commenting. If you like the video, like and subscribe. See you in the next new video. May God bless you and protect you. Keep you safe.